Today I'm going to make the classic bechamel sauce, and I'm here with my best friend, the spoon, because the secret of this recipe is to stir. So let's go over the ingredients. We have half a stick of butter, 4 cups and a quarter of milk, 3/4 cup of flour, the delicious nutmeg, and as always, a sprinkle of love. These quantities will give you enough bechamel sauce for 4 people. Make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature. Let's get to it. The first thing we do is melt the butter. The flame under the pan have to be very low. We're going to add the flour to the melted butter and stir it continuously until it forms a smooth paste. I used to put the flour little by little, but on another recipe, I found out that you just add the flour all together and you stir very fast. This mixture is called a roux, the foundation. I made a rookie mistake. I should have definitely followed my nonna's advice on adding the flour little by little with a mash. But it's okay, because now I can show you how to fix a roux gone wild. All we need is an immersion blender. Keep whisking away, melt and bubble gently without browning. Just remember to always stir on the same side. You can make your bechamel sauce more or less liquid. Voila! Our bechamel sauce is rich, creamy, and ready to take your dishes to the next level. I hope that even though, this was a weird mistake, not perfect video, I hope that at least we all learned something together. Let's taste it now. The taste is great. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Just subscribe down here so that you can always have my videos showing up in your inbox.